Today I'm going to make a door for the laundry room out of old growth clear heart redwood. It's the rough side. Got this off of a house when they were remodeling because no way could I afford it normally. So I got a time lapse going right there. And I will start making this. Got the rail on the floor there from my buddy. And the hinges, all original old hinges from I don't know where. But not something that came from Menards or Home Depot or wherever the hell you shop. So I'm gonna get going on this, and like I said, got a time lapse going of it. Hook this up to the vacuum so I won't be breathing in redwood dust because it's terrible. All right, back to work. So unfortunately, I didn't hit the right button on the GoPro, so you didn't get any of the staining. Normally I wouldn't stain redwood, however the back was so screwed up, it just wouldn't have looked right, so I did it with cherry stain. And then I just went ahead and did this, because actually when you usually used to put Watco on it, it would come out about this color and then fade out in the sun on the house. So on to mounting the rail. And by mounting, I mean cleaning the bird shit off the rail first. As you can see. All right. Okay, so this is 12 on center. So not gonna work. I gotta throw this board up first, and then I'll screw this into that board, and we'll be good to go. All right, back to the time lapse. All right. Okay, the door's up. Moves, everything works. It's a little tough as those are so old, and I just put little stops with some extra parts that I cut off of the other part of the rail. Like that, put some 632s through, and here it goes. Goodbye, dirty laundry room. And there it is. All right, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.